Alright everybody, it's G Human here, and I gotta tell y'all something. I'm gonna teach y'all today how to set up the Voltz server on a Mac computer. Alright, a lot of y'all have been wanting on my Voltz server, so I haven't been having it up. I've been trying to get money, I've been working, I've been trying to get a dedicated server. Nobody's going to my website, no one's donating or anything. But anyways, this is what you're gonna do. You go to the website, alright, obviously. You go to Voltz right here. Now you're obviously going to need the launcher. You can download launcher, right? Launcher. Download the launcher. Download the launcher on any of these sites. Now what you're going to do is download Voltz Server 1.0.8. You'll download it. You'll make a folder like this one. Alright. Maybe, once it's done. See, that one's already been used. That one's actually my Voltz server right here. Alright, see what it has this folder. I accidentally opened it up. Right, oh, that was some Spanish project. Alright, so here it is. You see, it says Voltz.jar, but it doesn't have any runs. It doesn't have start.command right here. So for all those Mac users, you're going to want to open. Oh, that's not what I want to do. Yeah, I don't want to do it. Anyways, you open, text edit. Alright, I have text edit open. And now I'm going to put this inside my description so y'all can just copy and paste it. What you'll do is this. You copy that. You paste it. Alright, see how they look different? It looks like that, it looks like that. Alright, well first, this Voltz right here. This is whatever that says right there, Voltz.jar, it needs to say it right there. Okay. This is how much RAM you're using. This is the minimum amount of RAM, that's the maximum amount of RAM. So like if your server's getting laggy, you'll use more RAM. If it's not, it's running good, you'll use less RAM. Just depends. You'll do that, and then what you'll do is you'll highlight it. You go to File or Edit and Format. My bad. You go Format and make plain text. Now you make plain text. File. Save. Now that's where it gets important. Start. Dot command. Now it has to be dot command. It can be anything before dot command. But, you know, start just makes more sense. You save it. Alright. Now if you put it in here and try to run it, you're going to get that. Start.command that has not been executed the privileges to do that. So what you'll do is go here. Terminal will come up. In terminal you'll type in chmod space A plus X space. So drag this in here. Hit enter. It'll do that. Exit out of that. Open it again. Now your server is running. It'll start loading all this stuff. It'll start loading your world. It'll start loading the world here in a second. Alright, recipes. This will pop up. This is like your main terminal, and this is like your backup. Now don't exit out of either one of these or your server will not run. Then when you go to play it, what you're going to have to do is actually go to your options and use recommended builds. If you use the development builds, it'll say, sorry, you can't do this, yada yada yada. Use recommended builds. And if y'all didn't watch the whole video, that sucks, because this is important. If you do not use recommended builds, you cannot access the server. You cannot access your server, you cannot access other servers. You have to use recommended builds until Voltz gets pretty stable. Depending on the server. If the server is an older server, you don't have to use recommended builds, you can use developer builds. So that's that. And what you'll do is you'll just go in there and that's it. That's the server. You just run it every time you want to. Mine's over here into like 5 folders. And you just do start.command. It starts up, starting up, Goes. This is my world. Everybody who's been opt, banned players. If you want it whitelisted, people who are on the whitelist, server properties. This is how you change all that stuff. All kinds of stuff. Alright, and that's that, guys. Later.